First of all, you need to go to a website. Its name is tinkercad.com. Go here, then sign up, create personal account. You can sign up with Google or Apple ID. You will see this window. There are 3D designs, circuits, and code blocks, etc. But we will focus only on circuits. Just click it. Then go to New, Circuit. You will see this screen. This is Arduino. We will use this board in our course. Okay, drag it here. Okay, now see there are different pins on Arduino. These are digital pins from 0 to 13. These are 14 pins. These are digital pins. These are analog pins, and these are ground, 5 volt, 3 volt, different supplies. Right now we will focus only on these 14 pins from 0 to 13. These are digital pins. We can turn them on off, and we can connect an LED to them. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, search here LED. This is the LED. Put it here and connect it randomly to any pin. Let's say I connect it to 8, and other side must be grounded. Okay, this is our first circuit. Now let's program it. Blocks, text, continue. It must be in text, and from here you can increase the font. Okay, I'm deleting this code because we want to create new one. Okay, now there are two blocks in the code. First block is void setup, and the second block is void loop. You must include these two blocks. Okay, now see what these blocks do. Okay, now see, this is void setup. In setup we will make the pin output where we have connected LED. Wherever you connect an LED, you must make it output. Okay, so pin mode, we have connected it to pin 8, so I will write 8 output. So pin 8 is output now. After that, let's say I write digital write 8 high. This will make this pin high, and that's it. Let's try. Okay, this pin is on now. Okay, next I give a delay 1000. This delay is in milliseconds, so 1000 means 1 second. It is 1000 milliseconds. Okay, after that I copy this line, Control C and Control V here, and I make it low. Now what this program will do, it will make pin 8 output, then it will write high. That means it will turn on the LED, then it will wait for 1 second, and then it will turn the LED off. See, so we created a circuit and then we are programming it. Now let's program it further. Okay, now go to loop. Inside the loop, whatever we do inside the loop, that repeats forever. Okay, now see, I wrote it here. I just cut and paste it here. And okay, LED will be on, then it will wait for 1 second and it will be off. After that, it will again wait for 1 second. Delay 1 second. 1000 milliseconds, that means 1 second. Okay, it will blink LED at the delay of 1 second. Let's try. You can increase decrease speed. Let's say I make it 300 milliseconds. Now it will blink faster. Okay, now let's connect another LED. Okay, this LED, and I connect it. You can connect it on any pin. Let's say at pin 5, and other side must be grounded. Okay, now let's say I want to blink this LED. So I will make this LED output. I will just write here 5 here and 5 here. Now this LED will blink, this one. See? Okay, now I want to blink both of the LEDs. So I need to make pin 8 and 5 both output. Okay, 8 output, 5 output. Whenever you connect an LED, that pin must be declared output. Okay, and copy this one. Eight high, and after that copy this one, Control C and paste, and 8. Now see, it will turn on both LEDs first. LED 5 and 8 are on, delay, and then they are off, and this cycle will repeat forever. Okay, now let's try them in reverse order. Means 1 on, 1 off. Okay, make it 1000 again so that we can watch it clearly. Okay, 1 high, other low, 1 low, other high. Okay, now let's connect another LED. Take this one, connect it anywhere. Let's say it is at 2, and other side must be grounded always. Okay, now I want to blink this LED too. So what I will do, I will just make it output. Control C, Control V. It is at 2. Okay, then Control C, Control V, high, and okay, make it 2. So this pin is 2. Pin 2 is high, and pin 2 will be low here. So in this way you can turn on or off any pin. Now let's say I connect another LED. Okay, this LED here. Okay, let's say I connect it at 6. Okay, now suppose I want to turn on these 2 LEDs, and I want to turn off these 2 LEDs. For that I will make all of them output. Okay, now one more. We have connected 6. Control C, V, and 6. Okay, I am deleting all these lines. Okay, I want to turn on this LED, means 2, and this LED which is at 5. Okay, let's change their color. Okay, make it let's say blue. and white, green. Okay, now let's say I want to turn on blue and white LED, and red and green should remain off. Okay, for that I will just write digital write. This is connected at 5 and blue is connected at 2. Okay, 5 and 2 must be high. 5 high, and just copy paste it, Control C, Control V, and 2. These will be high, and green and red will be off. See? This is the way you can turn on or off any pin. In the same way, you can connect LEDs to all the pins, and you can turn on or turn off any of that LED. You can turn on any pin, you can turn off any pin. So if you can turn on off pins, you can connect 14 appliances to these pins, for example fan, AC, fridge, or a machine, and you can turn them on and off also. So this is the first lecture. Focus on turning on or off the different pins. If you can turn on off pins, okay, in this way you can turn on off any pin, and if you can turn on or off any pin, you can turn on off different appliances. You can connect 14 appliances from 0 to 13, and you can turn on off all of them. So this is the first lecture. You should know how to turn on or off any pin.